What percentage of water is present in human skin? 64%. Who first claimed that planets move around the sun? Copernicus. What is the maximum zoom percentage in Microsoft Excel? 400%. Water is about 50 times more viscous than air. Which snack is most consumed in the world? Potato chips. Plaster of Paris is formed by heating gypsum at 100 to 120 degrees centigrade. Which of the following planet can float on water? Saturn. How many bones are present in one human leg? 30. Sonoran Desert is located in which two countries? USA and Mexico. In which year did Chernobyl disaster happen? 1986. How many ribs are classified as a floating ribs in human body? 4. Interaction between honeybee and flower is an example of mutualism. Which Roman Empire banned the ancient Olympic Games? Eastern Roman Empire. Which mountain range is known as the third pole of Earth? Himalayas. A child who is just learning to walk is called toddler. Stealing a password of something is called hacking. Which river is known as Gold River of India? Subarnarekha. Blackpool is a famous seaside resort located in which country? England. Brothans was an airline belonged to which country? Norway. The study of whale and dolphins is called cytology. Durand Cup is associated with which game? Football. How many persons have been awarded Nobel Prize twice? 4. Which country has the highest national budget in the world? United States. How many spark plugs are needed in a diesel engine? 0. An expert in writing by hand is called calligrapher.